shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now let me see. What do we have here? Duck with cherries. Peking duck. Always a close second. Pick it up. No touch. Here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Well, yes, I know that, but I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
You know, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She said, beware of the cat.
Bless her. You know, mothers always think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can cherry your chow before the chew. Play with your food, you can't beat it. So let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your truck before the garage. You can play with your food, you can't fight it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me what game you'd like to play.
Paddle and paddle, step on the mud, stick a stroke of X in the shallows. And maybe there's time to go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably something in the kitty. So you want to play hide and seek, do you know? So tell me, Ducky, am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shimmy your chow before you chew. Play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your truck before the crunch. You can play with your food, I bite it. Do you like lunches?
I don't know, I never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
It's just those farm people playing ball.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news, that's what people are. Why, you should consider yourself lucky, Ducky, that After I'm through with you, you'll never have to encounter one.
Duck!
Yes, I know.
Duck! Duck!
Yes, I know. It's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck!
A ghost struck down by a foul ball.
You broke the window! The ball's gone inside.
Oh no, they're coming in. Oh, that's good. You hide right there. I gotta go back to find my mother. Maybe we can have lunch another time. Goodbye.